Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create column chart and bar chart in Excel. Both column chart and bar chart visualize the data as a set of rectangle columns or bars, and their lengths are proportional to data values they represent. In column chart, the horizontal axis shows the category to which they belong, and the vertical axis shows the values. Whereas in bar chart, the vertical axis shows the category and the horizontal axis shows the values. So, the bar chart is a vertical version of the column chart. Let's create column chart and bar chart in Excel. Table contains juices and smoothies sales data. It has three different columns: flavor, juices, and smoothies. It represents the sale of juices and smoothies for different flavors like apple, beet, carrot, and so on. Let's create a column chart to visualize the sale of juices for different flavors. For that, uh, let's select the two columns, flavor and juice. Then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then column chart, then click OK. A column chart has been created. In horizontal axis, it represents the flavors, and the vertical axis represents the sales value. From this chart, we can observe or we can see that orange is the highest selling flavor and beet is the lowest selling flavor. Let's change the chart title as. We can also create a grouped column chart to visualize different categories or to compare different categories. Here in the table, there are two categories are there. One is juices and other is smoothies. Let's create a column chart to compare both the cells. Let's delete this chart and select all the columns. Then go to insert, recommended charts, then all chart. Here you can see there are options for cluster column chart, stacked column, and other options. Let's select the cluster column chart, then click OK. A clustered column chart has been created. The horizontal axis represents the flavor, the vertical axis represents the sales value, the blue columns represents the juices and the orange one represents the smoothies. From this figure, we can see that orange is the highest selling flavor for both juices and smoothies. For celery flavor, the sale of smoothies are higher than the sale of juices, and for other flavors the sale of juices is higher than the sale of smoothies. We can get various insights from this chart. Let's customize this chart. Let's change the chart title as juices versus smoothies. Let's add axis title. For that, select the cell, select the chart, then you will get a plus sign over here. Then click on that plus sign, add axis title. Let's change this horizontal axis title as flavors. And vertical one as cells. Let's change this legend to right side. Go to legends, then right. We can also add data labels. Here we don't want that. Let's delete this chart and create a bar chart. To create a bar chart, select all the columns, then go to insert, then recommended charts, then all charts, then bar. We can also create bar chart for one category or multiple category. Here a multiple category bar chart or clustered bar chart has been created. We can customize the bar chart according to our requirement, as we have already done for clustered column chart. That's all for this video. Thank you.